This is Saturday, and every Saturday we have free drop-in workshop for the kids. As you can see, we have about 25 kids working throughout the zones we have here.
Then we're going to show our final design of our city, and everybody gets to work on it.
You see the mentors are working on another mural. This one is of the General Grant tree that will be mounted in the park alongside the mural of the Kings River that they complete. We are creating these library boxes that have been converted from newspaper stands. As you can see, they're being decorated. Will be loaded with books and placed in parks and neighborhoods so families can come and borrow the books. This is a class of 4th graders at Wilson Elementary working in the science workshop that Sam Academy created. We hope to do this with many more classes at the school in the future. And we're shuttling kids from Del Rey. We hope to also shuttle kids from Parlier to come and participate in our program. We do need support in the way of just gas to go out and pick up the kids. As you can see, we fill the van. We make a couple of trips every morning. And what do you think, kids? You like it at Sam Academy?
Yes! Awesome!